Let's actually put this on. Actually like goes all over the place. Hi everyone, it's Sally Cat Castle, your YouTube makeup artist with the heart. And on today's episode, we will be doing an unboxing of, guess what? The Look Fantastic Beauty Box for July 2021. And just so you know, the Look Fantastic Beauty Box is a monthly beauty box subscription for $16 where you get at least 5 or more products. And some of them are full size, some are deluxe. That's based in the United Kingdom. So without further ado, let's unbox this beauty. Actually, this month, it did not come with a box, but it came in this cute little clear bag. Yes, so once you open the box, it also comes with this magazine that gives you an idea or an explanation of the products that you get. Yes, so the first product here is the Revlon Lipstick. Yeah, so let's actually open this bag, and this is actually the Revlon Lipstick. I actually haven't tried a Revlon lipstick, so let's actually open it. It's actually sealed. I actually have their blush though. I must say that I actually love a lot of their products. How about you? Do you love Revlon? Please let me know. Oh my gosh, it's a challenge to open this, but I guess it's really good when something is sealed. So here we go. I'm almost there. And here we go. Yes, I finally opened her. Now let's actually try it on right here. And the color says that it is rose wine. And actually, it's a pretty good color. It's almost like the natural color of your lips. And it's like very hydrating and very moisturizing. At least that's how I felt when I applied it right on my hand. Now let's try it on. It even goes well with my lip liner. So super happy about this. Yes. And our next product is the Illamasqua Beyond Liquid Highlighter. OMG. And guess what? The inspiration from this liquid highlighter is from their famous Beyond Highlighting Powder that will give you a striking strobe-like glow. So let's actually open this beauty. Oh my gosh, it's super small. And it's actually sealed. So that's really nice. That means it's fresh. Yes. Now let's actually put some here on my hand. I actually love liquid highlighters as well. Sometimes I actually use it with my body lotion and with my moisturizer. Oh my gosh. See, you just really need to use like a very small amount. But look at that. I can actually say that it's very fine and it's really pretty. And sometimes you can also mix this with your body lotion and it will really give you that beautiful glow on your legs or on your décolleté. Yes. So the next product here is the, guess what? Where is it? It's the mask, and this is she. And it actually says that this is a 7-in-1 miracle skin mask pad. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I have so much masks already. So what I'm gonna do with this is that I'm going to add this for a future giveaway. Yeah, so super happy about that as well. And it's cruelty free and vegan. So the next product here is the, guess what? An Elemis product. And I myself, as you know, I love Elemis product. And it's the Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. Because guess what? Look, it says in here, Superfood HA Glow Cleansing Butter. So I guess they actually had a printing error. Yes, but Elemis, as you know, is a luxury skincare brand, and they really deliver good results with all of their products. And this one is made in England. So now let's actually try it. And again, it's sealed. Super happy about that. So again, I love Elemis, and let's see if we're going to love this product. Let's actually put some on. Oh my gosh, all this seal is so hard to take off. So now let's put some on. And I love anything that has an additional benefit beyond a moisturizer. And then I can actually feel that it's very souffle-ish. It's creamy, and look, it also glistens. It also gives you that glow. So I guess for someone who has like dry skin, who wants that radiance, this is a perfect primer and moisturizer for you. Yes. And it doesn't really have a smell on it, but that's fine because you know what? As long as it hydrates and as long as it primes before your makeup, that's it. Yes. So now the next product is the Grow Gorgeous. Oh wow, I love that name. Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care Defense Anti-Pollution Leave-In Spray. And this one has green tea extract, sunflower extract, and vitamin B5. Yes, I myself, I like using products like this. Especially before I actually use heating styling products or heating tools rather. So now let's actually spray it on my hand first. Let's see. Oh wow, that actually smells good. Let's actually put some on. Let's put more. And I can actually say that it actually has like a very organic smell. And yeah, so that's actually like a tip that I would say, that before you use any heat styling product, use a product that's lightweight, that has a lot of like hydrating ingredients, just so that it will actually help to seal moisture on the cuticles of your hair. Yes. And the last product here is the Mind Tan Body Skin Cucumber Soothe and Moisturize Face Plus Body Tan Mist. I myself, I actually haven't used any tanning mist just because I'm Asian, and we usually like that clear, bright complexion. But who knows, maybe one day I want to tan. Yes, let's actually read what this one has to say. It actually says that it also has cucumber, citric acid, jojoba oil, and macadamia seed oil. And for you to use this, hold the bottle at least 15 centimeters away from face and spray it either on your face or your body. Let it dry before you apply your makeup or get dressed. Yes, let's actually at least spray it just for us to have an idea how the bottle spritz, right? Let's actually put this on. It actually like goes all over the place. Yes, but now let's actually smell it. That actually smells like a little bit like some chemicals right there. I guess that's like the tanning product right there. But you know what? I actually have an idea. I actually like my legs tan, so I will actually use this on my legs. Yes, super happy about this. So there you go. So let's do a recap of everything we got. So we actually got the tanning mist. We also got the Illamasqua primer and moisturizer in one. We also got our highlighter. We also got the hair anti-pollution leave-in spray. We also got the mask. And guess what? We also got our Revlon lipstick. And everything is only $16. If you actually ask me, what I'm super excited about this is the Revlon lipstick, believe it or not. Very surprised about that, but really hydrating and the color is beautiful. I also love the Illamasqua primer and moisturizer. And guess what? Believe it or not, I actually want to try this right on my legs for a tan. Yes! And also, of course, the liquid highlighter. There you go. It doesn't take a lot to please me. So there you go. If you enjoyed this unboxing, hope that you can support this video by giving it a thumbs up. And also, if you are into unbagging, unboxing, as well as skincare, makeup, and fragrance reviews, as well as my episodes where I actually do an eye makeup tutorial while I discuss an important topic that's close to my heart, please consider subscribing as well. And again, my name is Alicat Castle, telling you, you are beautiful with or without makeup, and you deserve all the most beautiful things in this world and universe. I love you. Bye!